Have you ever wondered how massive infrastructure projects like power plants or toll roads get built? Let us break down project finance. The heart of this concept is non-recourse debt, where lenders look to the project's own cash flow for repayment, not the parent company. Because these projects are asset-backed, the risk is contained within a single legal entity rather than spilling over to the parent investors. These projects usually use a special purpose vehicle, a separate company created specifically to own and operate the infrastructure asset. Unlike corporate finance, where you borrow based on the entire company's strength, project finance isolates the risk to the individual asset. Projects are typically highly leveraged, meaning they rely heavily on debt from banks or bondholders, with a smaller portion provided by equity investors. The golden rule here is that the project must be self-sustaining, generating enough revenue to cover operating costs and pay back the debt. Project finance is a complex but essential tool for global development. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more finance basics.